Outdoor semi-backlighting and direct light. When shooting outdoors, the impression will change depending on the direction of light. In this video, I'll explain about differences in semi-backlighting and direct light. This photo shoot is taking place at around 3 p.m. in November. It's autumn, so the light from the sun is coming from the side. First, let's look at what happens when we shoot in a semi-backlit condition where the sun is directly to the backlight of the subject. With semi-backlighting, you get some highlights and edge light. Okay, let's take a photo. When the highlight or edge light hits the subject, it has the effect of making the subject appear to rise out of the background and create a sense of depth. The face is not in direct sunlight, but is lit by the light from the sky. The light is soft, so it's good for taking beautiful photos of women. Next, let's see what happens when photographing with direct sunlight from the front. Direct light hits the face and makes it look expressionless. If we turn the face a bit diagonally, then we get strong shadows. When photographing with direct sunlight, it's difficult to photograph women beautifully because the face becomes washed out and there are too many distinct shadows. However, if you want to take a dramatic photo, direct light works well because you can get a really cool looking and high contrast shot. Generally, if you want to photograph a woman outdoors, I suggest using semi-backlighting for easier shots that will turn out beautifully.